If you've ever wondered how to make money just by taking photos of products, then stick around. I'm breaking it all down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to land your first paying client as a product photographer. I've been a product photographer for many years, and I really want to share my education with you so you can have an easier life. I know that sounds really silly, but it's the truth. I want you to be able to go out and succeed a heck of a lot quicker than I ever did. Plus, I've got a freebie for you. It's a 30-day challenge list infographic designed especially by me to sharpen your skills and boost your portfolio. So stick around to the end. Let's go make your camera work for you. Let's start by identifying your ideal client. It's vital to choose a niche. But think of a small business like Etsy sellers or local entrepreneurs needing product photography. I'd like to share how I booked my very first Etsy product photography client. I researched on Etsy for local artists and business owners in my area. And I discovered a wonderful artist from my area, and I reached out to her in direct messages on Instagram. Over a small amount of time, we connected. It's all about relationships with people. People have to know, like, and trust you. You are going to take their products that they've worked hours or months on. They're placing a lot of hope into this transaction. You have to make them feel at ease. I created photos of her cute products in different ways to give them action, and she loved it. She was able to use these photos to sell her handmade products in her Etsy store. It was very exciting and fulfilling to see my photography being used to help her sell her products. Once you've identified your ideal client, it's time to research and personalize your approach. Study the brand images and what gaps you can fill in with your photography. Do you see brands struggling with poor DIY photos? This is your opportunity to step in and elevate their brand. But here's a tip. Use social media hashtags to discover the potential clients and ensure your portfolio aligns with their needs. You're going to need to stand out by creating a tailored sample photo for your potential clients. I want you to send your beautiful photo using their product to potential clients even before pitching your services. This is going to show your initiative and your skills. You can do this through DMs. This is important. The follow-up is with potential clients is crucial. Don't let the initial outreach be the last time they hear from you. Engage with your content on social media and build a relationship. Hey, do you remember my own story of how I transformed a client's brand with my photography? It was all about maintaining that relationship. This ultimately led to a repeat business and referrals. So let's recap the steps we discussed. So you're going to identify your client, research and personalize your approach, create a tailored sample photo and send it to them, follow up and build relationships. Oh, I have a freebie for you. Click in the link below and to receive a 30-day photo challenge infographic. If you're ready to take your photography hustle to the next level, hit the subscribe button for more tips for building your creative business. See you in the next video.